They come in these pretty. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Monique, and in today's video I'm gonna be swatching Too Faced new Melted Matte Metallic Liquid Lipstick. Now I know that is a mouthful. This collection of these liquid lipsticks came out about like a couple of weeks ago, but I'm in the process of moving, trying to get everything together and stuff. So I really want to see how these metallic liquid lipsticks look like. So today I will be able to see what they look like, and I'm gonna be doing lip swatches for you guys, so stay tuned. They come in these pretty. They come in these glass, to me, like, they're hard plastic. So they come in these hard plastic packaging. I also have the, it's called the Magic Metal Transformation one. So with this one, it's this one right here. So with this one, you put this on top, you could be able to change the color of it. So this one is called the Magic Metal Transformer. All right, so we're gonna get into these swatches and keep watching. I'm gonna go from the lightest shade that I have, and the lightest shade that I have is You Better Work. So I'm just gonna swatch this. This is how it looks. Iridescent color. Look how pretty it looks with this, like with this on top. Like, it looks so pretty. All right, so the next shade I'm gonna do is, let's see, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is called Give It To Me. Alright, so the last color like I will be swatching is called The Real Teal. Come up close to you guys so you can see what it looks like. This one is super pretty too. Like, I like this one. So what was the color before?
Teal, I say so.
Oh, I forgot to show you guys. Like, these are the boxes that it comes in. This is the box that the teal one came in. These is what the boxes look like. You're gonna watch me the whole time. Oh, I hate my hair. I want to try this red color, and it's called Biatch. I'm Too Faced. Okay, it don't call that. It's called BITCH, and I do not like to curse on my channel. Too Faced. These names, okay?